Today we're going to begin by taking a look at remittance reports. These are your agency's end-of-day reports. First you'll go to Reports, then Remittance. You'll choose your date range. I'm going to back it up just to give you a little more data. You'll choose if you want all locations or a single location. If you have multiple locations, you can choose more than one location by holding down the Control key and selecting. You choose the reports that you would like to see and view. My first report that came up here is my fee report by location. So for the date range that I've chosen, this would show me how much fees I've collected in my agency and what that fee was for. Balance report, this would have all of your users, and this would have their totals for that time period and tell you how much they were over or short during that time period. This is your total receipted for that time period, tells you your cash or check to agency, your check or credit card. If I click on the blue hyperlink, it will drill it down more and show me everyone. This is going to be your printout sheet, and this is going to show you, like, these are all fees for the agency. You can choose to include receipt numbers or not. This is going to be my company remittance for each of my carriers. And this is going to tell me cash or check to agency, what was taken in and what amounts due to the company. If I had any commissions that need to be held out, it would also show that here as well. That's it for remittance reports. Thanks for watching.